here. Come here. Get ready, y'all. Get ready. Get ready.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You're killing yourself. Hey. Good job.
Hello YouTube and welcome back to see you out there. So I got a fun video for you today. I left out of the house here in Santa Fe at about 2:30 this morning and drove to Anahuac, Texas and went duck hunting with some friends over there. So I was not able to do a intro this morning, but I'm doing it now for you. Super fun day. We had a great time shooting birds. Super fun hunt with some fun guys. So I hope you enjoy the footage. Start this video out, I want to say thank you. We hit 500 subscribers last week. Blown away, super excited. Thank you so much for the support. To thank you guys for 500 subscribers, we're going to do a giveaway in tomorrow's video. Tomorrow I'm taking the elephant skiff out and I'm going to go red fishing. And at the end of that video tomorrow, we are going to do a giveaway. Our partner and great friend Jason Johnson with Hooked Up Baits has sent us a bunch of his baits that you've seen on our channel. The ones that Corey uses, the avocado ones, the pearl and chartreuse that I'm always throwing. We have some bags of these and some other colors he's come up with that we're going to give away on tomorrow's video. So 500 subscriber giveaway, tomorrow's video. Thank you very much, guys. Can't wait to get these lures in you guys' hands and get y'all catching fish. Second fun piece of news, next Friday, we're leaving for the Florida Keys. We're taking the red boat. We're headed down to Marathon, Florida with family for Thanksgiving for a week of fishing and snorkeling, lobster diving, yellowtail snapper, mutton snapper, cirro mackerels, mangrove snappers, whatever we can get into. And we're going to do an entire series of videos while we're down there. We're going to go down to Key West, do the Duval Strip. We're going to do mojitos. We're going to do key lime pie. We're going to do everything. It's going to be awesome. We'll talk more about that on tomorrow's video. Let's get into today's video.
It's like 10 years.
Cool.
Right.
Amazing how that happened.
That's what it does.
Yeah, that's solid. Long John Silver. I never saw those.
Kill him, kill him, kill him.
Say what? What'd you say?
Not bad.
I'm not in. What kind of duck was that? That was a cool looking duck. What was that?
Next to us, the guy said, "Hey, the guys behind us shot 34." I said, "Golly, they cleaned up."
That's good.
Hey, they had about 20 coot. I said, "Man, let me see these thugs." They parked right by us. Let me see these.
All right, guys, welcome back to the house. So I just got back from Anahuac from my hunt this morning, and I'm gonna breast these ducks out real quick so I can vacuum seal them and put them away. So I'm gonna show you a quick technique. I'm no expert by no means. I've only been duck hunting a half a dozen times. So if you see something I'm doing wrong, feel free to comment or add something to it. I'm gonna do a simple breast on these, and we'll pull the feathers back, take the breasts out with a sharp knife, and take them in the house so I can vacuum seal them. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get the breasted out for you, and then we'll get ready to close this video out. So stand by. All right, we're gonna remove feathers, get the skin peeled back. Kitty cat's gonna help.
That one peeled nice.
Yeah, that one peeled good. Awesome. Now we're going to pull these little fillets off, and we have breasted that duck. Now do the other side. Kitty cat, you want some duck? Alright, there we have it. Okay. There you have it. Like I said, it was a fun video. It was a fun day. It's warm right now in Texas. It's freaking 75, 80 degrees still. So duck hunting was what our guide considered a little bit slow. I had no problems with it. We killed over 20 birds. We had a couple really pretty ones that some of the guys, Jonathan and Vance and David, took to get mounted from a friend of ours at work. Beautiful birds, super fun day, lots of action. It was a great time. We're gonna go back and hunt with Jake and Drake Outfitters again here later in the season. Wonderful trip, hope you enjoyed it. Remember, 500 subscriber video tomorrow, and then we're gonna be in Key West next weekend, so stand by. We appreciate everything. Remember to like and subscribe. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you in the water tomorrow.